Let's be honest. The area around your desk or nightstand is probably a battlefield. The enemy? A tangled mess of charging cables, bulky power bricks, and adapters. For years, we've accepted that the tools we use to power our most exciting gadgets have to be relentlessly dull and utilitarian. But what if a charger could do more than just deliver power? What if it could help organize your space, provide useful information, and even have a bit of personality? I recently got my hands on the JoyRoom Podix, a 5-in-1 desktop charging station that promises to solve these exact problems. After putting it through its paces, I came away with a few key takeaways that genuinely surprised me. The Podix is built to be the single power source for your entire setup, capable of charging up to 5 devices at the same time. This means you can finally put away that drawer full of separate chargers and power up everything from one elegant station. Having multiple ports is great, but the true magic for organization comes from the charger's most clever feature, the built-in cables. The standout feature of the Podix is its 2 integrated retractable USB-C cables. They are designed to eliminate clutter and make charging effortless. For a new user, the benefits are immediate and obvious. Because the cables are built right into the charger, you no longer need to keep extra cords lying around your workspace. When you're done, they disappear back into the unit. The cables smoothly extend up to 31 inches, giving you plenty of length to comfortably use your device. Paired with the charger's 59-inch power cord, you get a total reach of over 90 inches, providing excellent placement flexibility. When you're finished, they snap neatly back into place with magnetic connectors. You'll never have to waste time searching for a misplaced charging cable again. The 2 most important cables you need are always attached and ready to go. This clever design ensures your desk stays organized, but the Podix also includes a feature that lets you see exactly what's happening when you plug in. Unlike a typical charger that leaves you guessing, the Podix features a vibrant 1.54-inch color LCD screen that provides a clear and intuitive window into the charging process. All of its functions are controlled by a simple touch button on the front. A single tap toggles the display between 3 useful views. The total power being used by all devices, a detailed breakdown showing the power going to each individual port in the animated emoji screen. This means no guesswork and no need for a separate power meter to know your gear is charging correctly. The display isn't just about data, it also adds a touch of personality. A quick double tap cycles through cute animated emojis like pinwheels, fireworks, and bubbles, turning routine charging into a more lively experience. Because you can position the charger on its side, a simple triple tap rotates the entire screen display 90 degrees to match its orientation, ensuring it's always easy to read. Now that you can see your power, let's talk about the incredible speed at which it's delivered. The Podix uses powerful 140-watt GaN, gallium nitride technology. In simple terms, this means it's a highly efficient system that can deliver a massive amount of power to your devices, charging them much faster than the standard adapters. To put its speed into perspective, it can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0% to 50% in just 25 minutes. It's important to understand that the 140 watts is the charger's total output, which is intelligently shared across all the ports being used. For example, if you plug 2 high-power devices into the main USB-C ports, the charger might split the power to give each one 70 watts. This smart distribution ensures all your devices charge efficiently and safely at the same time, without you having to think about it. Better yet, the charger is truly smart. It automatically detects what's plugged in, from low-power earbuds to a power-hungry laptop, and delivers the perfect amount of energy for fast and safe charging. This system includes real-time thermal monitoring, which constantly checks the temperature to prevent overheating. This not only protects your device's batteries, but also extends the lifespan of both the charger and your gear. The physical design of the Podix is packed with thoughtful features that make it incredibly practical for daily use on any desk. It is stable on your desk. It includes a tri-magnetic silicone base with a super tacky adhesive underside. This base sticks firmly to your desk, holding the charger in place. While the magnet could be a bit stronger, this design does a good job of preventing the charger from lifting up when you pull on the retractable cables. Charged from any angle, the charging station itself can rotate 180 degrees on its base. This makes it easy to aim the cables and reach your devices, no matter where they are positioned on your desk. Position it your way. The tri-magnetic design allows you to place the charger either upright or on its side on the base, whichever best fits your space and workflow. It is built to last. The Podix is engineered for durability and has passed rigorous stress tests. It is built to withstand over 10,000 cable bends, resist a 15-kilogram pulling force, and survive drop tests from over 3 feet, ensuring it can handle the demands of daily use for years to come. All of these features come together to create a charging experience that is simple, tidy, and incredibly effective. Though the JoyRoom Podix is more than just a charger. It's a smart and powerful hub that gives you control and insight into your tech. It replaces the clutter of multiple power bricks with a single organized station that intelligently manages power for all your devices. By combining 5 ports, innovative retractable cables, a real-time power display, and robust safety features, it makes charging your gear fast, efficient, and safe. It's a complete solution that brings order to your desk and puts the power back in your hands. This neat new charger looks fun to use, but before you begin, let's open the package and confirm we have all the necessary components. Your box should contain the following items: the Podix charging station, the anti-slip magnetic silicone pad, the power cable, and the user manual. Got everything? Great. Let's walk you through how to get your station set up in just 3 simple steps. Setting up your Podix on your desk is quick and easy. First, place the pad. Find a convenient spot on your desk and place the round anti-slip silicone pad. Its underside has an adhesive to keep it firmly in place. Now, mount the charger. The Podix charger is magnetic and will snap securely onto the pad, allowing you to place it upright or on its side. Finally, connect the power. Plug the provided power cord into the port on the back of the Podix and then into a wall outlet. The charger will turn on automatically, displaying the JoyRoom logo. Your Podix is now powered on and ready. But to unlock its full potential, let's look at how its smart technology works under the hood. The Podix is packed with smart technology. Here's a breakdown of what makes it work and a quick tour of the 5 charging ports. Your charging station has 5 distinct ports, each designed for different needs. The 2 retractable cables are labeled C2 and C3, and the front ports are C1, A1, and A2, USB-C, C1. The front-facing USB-C port delivers maximum power. Laptops and other power-hungry devices get up to 140 watts when used alone. The retractable USB-C ports labeled C2 and C3 are 2 built-in 31-inch auto-retracting cables. It is designed for convenience. Modern devices like phones, tablets, and even laptops keeps your desk clutter-free. The USB-A ports labeled A1 and A2 are 2 standard USB-A ports on the front, best for accessories and legacy devices such as earbuds, smartwatches, keyboards, or older gadgets. While the front C1 port is the champion for a solo device, the Podix has a clever trick for a full desk. It strategically shifts the highest power output, a massive 80 watts, to the retractable C3 cable. This ensures your primary device, likely your laptop, gets priority power even when everything else is charging. The JoyRoom Podix successfully positions itself in the market as a premium, feature-rich charging station that competes on user experience, design, and convenience rather than on price alone. It is an innovative solution for tech-savvy users and professionals who are plagued by cable clutter and seek a more elegant and organized workspace. Its primary market advantage is the seamless integration of auto-retracting cables. a smart interactive display along with intelligent power distribution and safety monitoring, high power GaN charging into a single well-designed unit. The Podix successfully carves out a distinct niche by transforming the mundane act of charging into an organized, efficient, and engaging experience. This is the absolute perfect charger for me and all of my electronics, and I know you can benefit from this as well. I put links down below in the description box for you to check out, as well as to purchase the JoyRoom Podix charger. This thing is really a game changer, and it has definitely changed my workflow for the better and reduced my cord clutter. Go ahead and get one. You know, I am picky with my reviews and what electronic devices I recommend, and I am certainly giving this item my approval.